Hey everyone, in this video, we will explain you how you can register as a host on Airbnb, so let's jump into it. Step 1. Go to airbnb.com. Head over to Airbnb's website and click on Airbnb Your Home at the top right corner. You'll be prompted to sign in or create an account. You can use your email, Google, Apple, or Facebook account to get started. Step 2. Start your listing. Once logged in, Airbnb will ask you a few questions about your property like, what type of place are you listing? Apartment, house, shared room, etc. How many guests can your space accommodate? Where is it located? Just answer each question honestly to create the basic structure of your listing. Step 3. Add photos and details. Now it's time to bring your space to life. Upload clear and high-quality photos of your property. Then, add a catchy title, a detailed description, and mention all the amenities you offer like Wi-Fi, kitchen, parking, etc. Step 4. Set your pricing. You can choose Airbnb's smart pricing, which adjusts based on demand, or set your own nightly rate. You'll also add cleaning fees, extra guest fees, or custom rules if needed. Step 5. Review and publish. Once everything's set, review your listing. Airbnb might also ask for some verification like ID or phone number. After that, hit Publish, and your listing goes live. You're now officially an Airbnb host. Just wait for your first booking and get ready to welcome your guests.